The STEAM lesson for this week will be the Human Heart Part 2. We have reading levels due, we have Valentine parties, we're starting our tailhouse writing, so I'm not going to do much for the STEAM lab this week. I noticed that several were not able to come through, so we're going to keep it very much the same as last week, except for, if you look up here on the screen when you walk in, will be a biodigital, I guess it's a website that's on the site. It's not really a movie this time or a video, but this is an interactive website where you can take a deep look into the human body. So objectives are the same, the book is the same if you didn't get to any of these, but right here, if you'll click, everything down here is the same, but if you'll go right here, I'm just going to show you what that looks like in regards to this. So if we click here, well, it's not going to let me do it. It'll be up. You can move this around. I will also have the other student computers up and running. Feel free to bring your iPads if you would like to, and log on to biodigital.com, and it's free. Part of it is free, and I think the students will really like that. So that's the only component that we added this week is this interactive. It's more of a technology teak, I guess, this week. So if you want to go in there for a few minutes and look at this, have the kids explore this. It's amazing. Over to the left, if I had this up, you could see it, but you would be able to see read notes that tells what it is. You click on it, so it's extremely I think fascinating, and the kids would enjoy that. So STEAM lesson, if you want to go in this week, it's there for you. If you want to go and just add this to it, that's good. So whatever you want to do with STEAM Lab, feel free to miss it if you need to. So that's the STEAM lesson for this week. Thank you.